Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is replace the two forces shown by a force couple system with the force acting at O. So this member is acted upon by two forces, one here 50 newtons and another force here 90 newtons. So we need to replace these two forces by a force and a couple. So in the coming slides, let us see how to solve this problem. Here we have redrawn the picture that is shown in the previous slide. So this length is 270 millimeter and this length is 360 millimeter. Force here is 50 newtons acting towards this and force here is 90 newtons acting towards this. So the angle between this member, this side of the member to the horizontal is 30 degrees. So the free body diagram is drawn here. A force 50 newton acting here, and since this is 30 degrees, this is also making 30 degrees with the vertical. And this force is 90 newtons acting downwards, and this there is a reaction of RO acting here. We specified that at an angle theta from the horizontal, and a moment will be acting, and we have shown here clockwise direction. First let us resolve forces along y, that is vertical. So sigma Fy equal to 0. So here the vertical force 90 minus Rho, and its vertical component is Rho sin theta, plus this is a 50 newton and its vertical component is 50 cos 30, that equal to 0. So from this after simplification we get Rho sin theta equal to 133.3. Let us call that equation 1. Now let us resolve forces along horizontal, that is x-axis. Sigma Fx equal to 0. So along horizontal, this won't have any horizontal component, but this one will have horizontal component. Horizontal component of Rho is Rho cos theta, that is equal to 50, and its horizontal component is sin 30. So here we have written Rho cos theta equal to 50 sin 30. So after simplification we get Rho cos theta equal to 25. Let us call that equation 2. Now let us divide equation 1 by equation 2. We get Rho sin theta by Rho cos theta equal to 133.3 by 25. So Rho gets cancelled. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan theta equal to 133.3 by 25. So theta equal to 79.38 degrees. From equation 1, Rho sin theta equal to 133.3 we have seen in the previous slide. So after substituting value of theta we get Rho equal to 133.3 by sin 79.38. So Rho equal to 135.6 Newton. After calculating Rho, that is reaction here, now let us take moments about this point O. So sigma MO can be written as this force into this length, that is 50 into 360, that is clockwise direction, minus this force into this length, that is 90 into 270, that is counterclockwise direction. So after simplification we get sigma MO equal to minus 6300 Newton meter. So this is negative sign represents the moment is counterclockwise direction. So moment MO is equal to 6300 Newton meter, that is counterclockwise direction. Initially we have specified clockwise direction. Now the value says that it is a counterclockwise direction. Now we have found Rho and MO. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.